multiplexer is called as universal circuit. Multiplexer is called as universal circuit. Means we can design any Boolean expression using multiplexer. Okay, let us do some problems regarding this one. Okay, problems. Design f of a comma b comma c is equal to sigma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 using 8 by 1, 4 by 1 and 2 by 1. Let us see the solution. First write the truth table of this function. 3 comma 5 comma 6 7 and 3 variables are available. So first write 3 variable function a, b, c and f. 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 triple 1. Okay, now 3 5 6 7. So 3 5 6 7 are ones, remaining all are zeros. Okay, remaining all are zeros. Now you have to implement using 8 by 1, 4 by 1, 2 by 1. First I am implementing using 8 by 1. Okay, 8 by 1, see. This is F. 8 by 1 means we have 8 inputs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 3 selection lines, right? S0, S1, S2. Here D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. This is 8 by 1 mux. Okay. Now observe here how many combinations we get. 8 combinations, right? So whatever output obtained here F in truth table, just mention those values here. 0 0 0 1 0 triple 1 and mention these ABC as selection lines A, B, C. Okay, so this is the final expression sigma 3 comma 5 comma 6 7. Simple. This is 8 by 1 using 8 by 1 because here there are 8 combinations. Here we have 8 inputs. 8 inputs, 8 combinations. So both are same. So it is simple and easy to assign. Now same experiment I want using 4 by 1 now. This is somewhat some confusion and some difficult. Let us see. Again draw the truth table. A, B, C, F. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, next 0 0 0 1 0 triple 1. Okay, next 4 by 1 mux. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, sorry. I want 4 by 1, right? We need only one 4 by 1 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 selection lines, 1 output. Okay. Now we have only 2 selection lines. S0, S1. Here D0, D1, D2, D3. Now write AB here. AB. And divide here how many inputs? Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide this part into 4. First part, second part, third part, and fourth part. This is first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, AB is already available. Now you have to select F according to C. You have to compare C and F. Let us see this one. C is 0 or 1, right? Here also C is 0 or 1. C is 0 or 1. So let us see. Whatever C, output is 0. C. C is equal to 0, F is equal to 0. When C is equal to 1 also, F is equal to 0. Means D naught is equal to how much? Always 0. Okay. Now observe C and F for second part. C is 1, C. Both are equal. C and F both are equal. So for second part, D1 is equal to how much? C. Both are same. So we writing C. Again, both are same. Here also both are same. So D2 also C. D3 is always 1. D3 is always 1. Right? So write expression. So D3 1. D1, D2 both are same. That is C. Right? C. D0 0. Okay. This is the 4 by 1 multiplexer output. Okay. 4 by 1 multiplexer. 0, C, 1. For both we have C only. For D1 and D2. So I am clubbing here. Next, same experiment 2 by 1. A, B, C, F. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, triple 1. Okay. 3, 5, 6, 7. Now for 2 by 1, F only one selection line, S0, and 2 inputs only, D0 and D1. We have only 2 inputs. So one selection line means, so select A, write A here. Now we have only 2 possibles. So divide these 8 numbers into 4 parts. So first 4, second 4. Okay. First 4, second 4. So here A is already written. So leave A. Now observe BC and F. Okay, BC and F. Okay, let us see BC and F. This part, this is first part, means D naught, and this is second part for D1. Once observe here, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. It looks like AND gate truth table, right? So that is sigma 3. Sigma 3 means BC. That is equal to BC. Okay, AND gate BC. And D1, it looks like OR gate. See, 0 triple 1. So it looks like OR gate. So OR gate means B plus C. So what we have to do now? Here AND gate, here OR gate. So draw AND gate B C. Here OR gate. Same values, right? You can draw like this also. Or you can mention BC, no problem. If enable is available, write enable here. So this is the final circuit using 2 by 1. Like that, you have to do any problem using muxes. Okay, according to the inputs or according to the mux number, you have to split it. Okay, 8 by 1 means 8 splits, means individually we get. 4 by 1 means 4 splits. 2 by 1 means 2 splits. Okay, 16 by 1 means 16 splits. Here it is 3 variables, so we no need to implement using 16 by 1. Okay, this is the way to implement Boolean expressions. Boolean expression using muxes. Okay, and last problem, last model in this problem, reverse process of this one. Reverse process means I am giving multiplexer like this. Okay, I given F. You have to find out F now. Here I given variable A. Okay, here I given AB. Sorry, I given one circuit. Okay, I given circuit like this. I want the final expression. Okay, what is the final expression? This is 2 by 1 multiplexer, right? This is S naught, this is D naught, D1, right? What is the general expression of 2 by 1? General expression of 2 by 1, S naught bar D naught plus S naught D1, right? This is the 2 by 1 expression. So here what is S naught? A, right? S naught is equal to A. D naught, let us calculate D naught. D naught is here C bar, here B. Output is BC bar. So D naught is BC bar. D1 is C B bar. So B bar C. D1 is B bar C. Right? A B C bar B bar C. So substitute all these values in this expression F. So I am substituting here now. See, F is equal to A bar BC bar plus A B bar C. So what is the expression? 0 1 0 1 0 1 means sigma 2 comma 5, right? So like this also they will ask in reverse manner. Okay, this is the reverse process. Okay, okay, thank you.